the sound of your brothers. It's a line straight back to your home clan. You learned it from your fathers and your mothers. You can follow it home to where it first began. I needed to know you were certainly stumbling along a well-rehearsed, mindful of all your kin. Do you sing it loud for all you're worth? For all you're worth. Fine damn woman to me, he's a cold-hearted lover, you see. Fine damn woman to me, you're blinded by the things you cannot feel. The noise came in like a chorus of voices, but you're just one bird with one lonely song. You're perched high up on your shelf, but you don't know where you belong. Where you belong. Call out the dawn or the rain, you're terrified of being unheard. You can brighten even the darkest day, singing loud and clear. Songbird, songbird. Fine damn woman to me, he's a cold-hearted lover, you see. Fine damn woman to me, you're blinded by the things you cannot feel. Fallen by the wayside and shall call it home to me. Fallen by the wayside and shall call it home to me. Fallen by the wayside and shall call it home to me. Fallen by the wayside and shall call it home to me. Fallen by the wayside and shall call it home to me. Fallen by the way side unless you call it home.